My name is Chef Fran, and today we are making our breakfast crunch wrap. To make our breakfast crunch wrap, we need to have, we're not using tostadas, we're gonna actually use our spicy sweet chili Doritos to have our crunch, some bacon that I had cooked ready, and I have some mushrooms and onions I had sauteed in here, Himalayan salt and black pepper, some olive oil, a sausage, a hash brown crowns that I had vacuum sealed, some Stop Your Mama seasoning, and some bell peppers, and some pepper jack cheese here. Our eggs is here, and we have our medium wrap as well as our large wrap to make our breakfast crunch wrap. So I'm just sauteing a little bit of my chopped bell peppers. I've already just warmed up my bacon that I had cooked already, and my sausage, and the browns. I just make them crispy. So I'm putting some cheese down. I'm gonna put our, just want to kind of make sure I fit here, okay. Putting my sausage down, piece of sausage, some bacon. Just want to check the size, make sure everything's good. Okay, all right. I'm going to put our eggs in here. I'm going to scramble that. Okay. Just let it cook up just a little bit so you can scramble it. And meanwhile, I am going to put a little bit more cheese as our glue, and lay down some of our Doritos. Okay. I'm the one eating this, so my hands are in it, guys. Then we're gonna put our crowns. Probably have to add a little more cheese. Cheese is our sauce here. It is our glue. And let me work on these eggs. Start to get them scrambled up. Our veggies here. Get the eggs on here. Must be a runaway. All right. Again, nothing's gonna stick without this food glue cheese. So get our crunch on. So instead of tostadas, I decided to use sweet and spicy Dorito. Okay. Let me break a little bit. Okay. Now we're gonna have to seal it. So we have our sausage on the bottom, and our bacon, and we have some cheese in between, sticking our hash brown crowns in our Doritos. And then we have some eggs, and we put a little bit more cheese on the top so we can get our tortillas to be on top of it, which will put another 2 pieces here. Try to get that crunch going. Okay, it's probably gonna break some of to squeeze the top. Now there's more cheese along this way, so that's gonna be what's gonna be the glue when I put the small piece on the top here. You hear that? So it could actually fold over, because we have to kind of get it folded. Okay, trying to get it to fold in. So that's why we have our cheese here. And I have to turn this around. Almost done. And so we have our wrap folded here, just like that. Gonna put this face down in my pan. Try to seal this here. Put it face down in my pan. Huh? Okay, so we have our crunch wrap here. Let's cook in some butter. Let's see. Ooh. See what the other side looks like. Try to gently turn this over. Looking GBD here, guys. Looking GBD. Let it toast up. Let the other side get GBD, and we'll cut it up and we'll eat. So guys, I want you to hear this. Nice and solid. So we're gonna cut it. Hopefully this cut into this. Well, okay. Yes. Our breakfast crunch wrap vitamin content is a flour tortilla, which is folic acid, niacin, riboflavin, and thiamine, eggs, A, B2, B5, B6, B12, E, D, K, and iron, bacon, B1, B2, B3, B5, B6, B12, selenium and zinc, pepper jack cheese, A, B12, calcium, phosphorus, selenium, and zinc, mushroom and onion, starting with mushroom first, B1, B2, niacin, onion, B6, C, folate, magnesium, and potassium, our tater crowns, B6, C, and potassium, Stop Your Mama seasoning, A, C, calcium and iron, Himalayan salt, calcium, iron, magnesium, potassium, black pepper, A, B1, B2, B5, B6, C, E, and K, olive oil, E and K, bell peppers, A, B2, B6, C, folate, niacin, potassium. Our sausage patty, B1, B3, B12, D, iron, potassium, phosphorus, psyllium, and zinc. And our sweet, spicy Doritos contains a small amount of vitamin A, calcium, and iron. Real facts. Food insecure individuals are 2.9 times more likely to be in poor health. This includes both physical health and mental health. You can learn more by visiting us at jdhcdc.org. You hear that, guys? You hear the crunch? You see that sweet and spicy Dorito right here? Did you hear that crunch? Let's see if I can get it for you again. Pretty crunchy to me. Look at all those Doritos. Look at that. So good. So easy to do. You can do this the night before you go to work, night before you go to school, or the morning of. Most of these ingredients you probably have at home anyway. You probably have some form of cheese, sausage, bacon, some tater tots, vegetables, some sort of vegetables, eggs, and probably Doritos. You can use a regular nacho Doritos. I just wanted the sweet chili one. Very simple to do. Definitely try it. Enjoyable. You heard that crunch. So here's our call to action. Don't forget to click the like button by giving us a virtual hug. When you do that, it lets myself and my team know that you're enjoying the content we're putting out for you. And allows us to continue going back to the thinking lab about what can we create or recreate that you would be happy to experience with us by eating virtually. Now, I thank you for hanging out with me today, where you ate virtually and I ate physically. And you can do this too, and comment below and let me know what you did, if it was different, if it was the same. And then you could eat this physically too. And if you're new to this channel, welcome. We welcome you here with open arms and great big hugs. And if you haven't subscribed to this channel, subscribe. And share this with your family and friends. They'll appreciate it. And the last thing I want to tell you is, with the new year starting off here, I have a new book out called A Salad a Day, called A Twist on Boring Salads. Most people want to change their lifestyle when the new year approaches, and they usually think about, weight loss or weight management. And so my book has a salad for every day of the month. So today you may have tuna salad, for example, or chicken salad, and tomorrow you have a Cobb salad. I have a salad representing every day of the month, and just to kind of put a feel, because sometimes people end up getting off their new lifestyle kick because they're tired of the Caesar, or they're tired of which by the way, I have a surprise surprise Caesar salad in the book. So they get tired of eating the same garden salad or the same Cobb salad or Caesar salad. I have all those salads with a nice variation in there. So go on Amazon.com and you can get yourself a copy by Chef Fran Glover at A Twist on Boring Salad, A Salad a Day on Amazon.com. Thank you so much for hanging out with me. Love you guys. Bye.